Hey everyone, today I am unboxing this gimbal from JCROBOT. I believe that's how you pronounce that. It is the iSLEEKY L7C Pro Plus. I am very excited about this one, guys. I have been wanting to get a gimbal just because of all the fantastic things that it can do, especially when recording videos, and I just couldn't help myself. So I went to Amazon and I purchased one of these bad boys. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and unbox this bad boy and see what's in here. So it does come with the instructions, the manual, and now we also have the gimbal itself, which was kind of hard to get out of the box, but I guess, you know, that's a good thing because it wasn't going nowhere and it wasn't going to get damaged or anything like that. So that's always a plus. It also has the tripod stand, which is great. And a bag to be able to put the gimbal in when you're not using it. What I like about the gimbal is that you can, if you have a existing tripod already that you use, you can just screw it on top of there and you can use your tripod, or you can use the one that they gave you. So I did like that. And this is the camera that it comes with. So now I was looking at how to put it together. Very, very easy. You just unfold it. Put the tripod on at the bottom. It just screws on. Very easy. Okay, so since I am recording with my phone, I just took the case off. And I'm going to put it in the gimbal so you can kind of see, you know, how it fits and how it does. Now, this video is more of just the unboxing, showing you guys, you know, what it comes with. This also comes with the camera, which you'll see here, which I'm going to attach to the side. This helps to be able to track your movements or your face or whatever object or whatever it can see, what it needs to track. So, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions for me, please let me know. If there's any other details that you wanted to know, you can also let me know that as well. I am going to be doing a review on the gimbal. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe, put the notification bell on so you will not miss that video when it comes out. It will be coming out soon. I'm going to be testing this baby out to see exactly, you know, what it can do. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Until next time. Bye.